Thank you for watching this E2 tutorial. InStream is a one-stop shop for data and analysis related to the Nordic power market. Our aspiration is to make unique solutions that streamline decision-making in energy market companies. The E2 business is for analysts and managers who need to do reporting and ad hoc analysis. Let's start by making an own screen. From the Components tab, you can find all the components within the E2. Now I just opened the market information window and then the trades table and order book. You can drag and drop the components to those places where you prefer them in this screen. The gray lines point where the component will drop when released. Now I will open up a chart with the closing price and the historical volume of this particular product. You can drag and drop the chart wherever you like and then adjust the size. In the market information window, you can decide which columns you wish to see just by choosing them on the columns menu. Drag and drop the columns into the position where you would like to see them. Editing charts is easy. Simply double-click on the chart and you'll open up the toolbox. The toolbox allows you to edit everything in the chart. You can edit the graphs, you can edit the background, you can change the data within the chart, you can add headers and change the names of the graphs. Once the screen fits your purpose, you can give it a name by double-clicking the tab sign and then store it for later use, simply by clicking File and Save As. To add a new tab, just double-click on the empty space. Next, we could do a simple analysis. I'll do a technical analysis indicator, Bollinger Bands here. I will open up the analysis menu just by left clicking and then I'll choose the indicator that I want to look at. Now I can edit the indicator to look as I like with the toolbox. And then I can rename the graphs the way I would like to have them. Next, I will do a small indicator on the Finnish electricity consumption. I'll just take here the hourly consumption, convert that to daily consumption, and then convert the daily consumption to an annualized consumption. I can edit the last analysis either by left-clicking on the chart or by opening up the toolbox and go to the Analysis tab. Once the analysis is done, I can change the underlying data and compare the annualized consumption of other countries as well. I can simply drag and drop the information into the Data tab. Once I've saved my work, I can always come back to it by opening the file like I would in any other program. By using the Open to Tab function, you can combine your own screens and the InStream's ready-made screens. Use the Copy Component function to handpick the graphs you want to see. It is easy to design and build the E2 screens so that they support your work. If you need to do some reporting, the E2 can keep your reports up to date. You can use the Print to File function to publish your reports either as PDF files or in spreadsheet format. The E2 Business contains hundreds of different ready-made reports and has a comprehensive time series analysis library. When you need an update on the Nordic power market and answers to why the situation is as it is, E2 Business is designed to give the answers promptly. Thank you for watching this E2 Business tutorial. Next, we'll look at the E2 Professional.